Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to save number in WhatsApp contact account and also in phone address on both location in WhatsApp. So this is number and this number is not saved. Now you see add button. So first you can enable setting, go to setting and then click on privacy, and then in privacy you see contact and then click on contact, and then you see WhatsApp account or WhatsApp contact, enable that option. So after that your new number will also save in WhatsApp account, so you can access that number in any linked devices, or you can reinstall WhatsApp and then you can access that WhatsApp account saved already in your new WhatsApp. Now you see add, so click on it. So when we click on add, now you see name. When we enable option WhatsApp contact in setting, then this option disabled by default. If you want to save new number in both WhatsApp account and phone number, phone diary on your phone, then enable this option. Now you see sync to phone and then click on save. So in this way you can save new number in both location WhatsApp account and also in your phone. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.